Hey guys, my name's Jesse. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to be restoring a VL over the next couple of weeks and hopefully you guys enjoy the content. Thank you. Alright guys, so first up on the channel I'm going to be taking out the fuel tank, flushing that, putting a fuel filter in. Then I want to remove these molds off the side of the door as well. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Thank you. Alright, so all the molds being taken off. I'll show you what's underneath, and yeah, none of the molds are damaged when pulled off. Some already had cracks in them, but yeah. Alright, let's have a look. So this black stuff here is normally urethane, which they normally glue windscreens in with. So, first time taking out one of these VL fuel tanks. They come out alright, but yeah, had the bloody tow bar fucking in the way, so that took a little bit to bloody get around. All the bolts bloody rusted and spinning and stuff like that, so I'll just show you what I did anyway, how I cut them, and I ended up just bending down one of the brackets that hold up the fuel tank, because it was bloody easier than fucking trying to get the rest of that tow bar off, because yeah, the access to the back of the panel where the bolts are just spinning, you can't really get an angle on there to cut the bolts. So yeah, still got it out though, so we'll bloody give it a flush and see how we go from there. But I'll just show you a couple of the stuff where I cut off. It just made it a lot bloody easier, I tell you. Yeah, so just cut them ones there for the tow bar, and that one there, that one there. Yeah, these ones here for the tow bar are just basically spinning, so you know, you might be able to get something inside there or something to maybe grab the other end, but it's, yeah, it was just a bit of a pain. I ended up just bending down this bracket here that was holding up the tank, so got it out. Should be easy. It bends quite easily, this bit of metal, and there was that other one there, which I'll probably be able to just trim this bracket up or something like that, or yeah, it's just annoying because when you're coming in with an angle grinder, as you come up it sort of hits here, so you can't really cut the bolt off clean unless you cut a hole in the back panel, which don't really want to be making a mess yet in that, but might have to just to weld it back up. It's quite easily to do though, so yeah. yeah, so we'll tip this tank out and see what we find. So yeah, tank's empty now, and surprisingly it was actually pretty clean, and inside the tank itself was pretty clean as well. Still worth bloody dropping the tank anyway and emptying it and just seeing, you know, if there was anything major wrong, just in case, you know, you go on a road trip one day and bloody blocks up your bloody fuel line somehow. But yeah, no, it came up pretty good. Happy with that actually. Should be able to almost just whack it all back together and chuck it back up in there, put some fresh fuel in. It's got the fresh fueler in there now, so yeah, bloody nice. Yeah, that's the new fuel filter here. They're quite easily to do. Have a lot of fuel in them though, so be ready to catch all the fuel. That's probably the only thing you're gonna have to probably watch out for. Alright, time to get this bloody tank back in. Well, the fuel tank's finally back in. Turns out it's a bit bigger job than what you probably would think it's going to be. And then bending that bracket as well definitely makes it a lot harder to get back in place, but got it back into place anyway. Oh well, it is what it is. It's done now. Yeah, we'll have to put some fuel in and see how she goes. It ran before anyway, but you know, a bit of clean fuel would be always helpful. No worries.